Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you my PyPracticeAI application in action. The steps to create this application is available in my course. The link to the course is available in the description. I have already started the application. Let's begin by selecting a Python topic. So I'll choose List Comprehensions from the sidebar. Now, within a few seconds, the application will generate an entire lesson. And here it is. Notice that it creates a lesson explanation, a working Python example, an explanation of the example, and a coding challenge question. None of this content is hard-coded. It is generated dynamically using an LLM. Now, let's solve this coding challenge. Okay, so I will intentionally paste an incorrect solution to the coding challenge. Okay. And I'll click on Submit for Evaluation button. Okay. And you can see the spinner executing and evaluating your solution. So I have got the message which says solution needs improvement. It shows our submitted code and the execution result. We also have the evaluation which tells us why the solution is incorrect. Okay. So behind the scenes, an AI agent executes my Python code using a Python execution tool. The execution result is then analyzed by the LLM, which generates evaluation feedback explaining whether my solution is correct and how it can be improved. This gives learners immediately AI-powered feedback instead of simple pass or fail validation. Now, let's look at another feature. I'll click on Ask Tutor button. And here we have a chat. The tutor chat already understands the current lesson, example, coding challenge, and even my submitted solution. So I don't have to paste all that information into the chat. So I'll simply ask, can you explain the example code line by line? And I get the response back. Notice that the tutor immediately knows which example I am referring to. Okay, so this is the example, and you can see that in the tutor chat, it is explained. Now I'll ask, give me a hint for the coding challenge. And here it is. So instead of revealing the complete solution, the tutor provides helpful guidance that encourages learning. Okay. The tutor can also answer general Python questions. For example, when should I use map instead of for loop? Okay. And here it is. We have the answer. So as the conversation grows, we use Summarization Middleware to automatically summarize older messages. This keeps the conversation efficient while reducing the amount of context sent to the LLM. Okay. Finally, let's look at the premium access workflow. So I have already viewed one free lesson. Let's select another topic. I'll select list comprehensions and the lesson content will be generated. Here it is. So the free preview limit is set to 2. Now, when I select another topic, the application displays free access limit reached, unlock full access for $200. So I'll click on unlock button. Okay, I get the message, confirm deduction of $200 using your credit card. Okay, and with this, I have also got an approve and reject button. So basically, the payment tool is protected using human-in-the-loop middleware. So before the tool executes, the workflow pauses and asks for approval. If I click reject, premium access is not activated. And if I click approve, the workflow resumes, the tool executes, and premium access is unlocked. So I'll click approve and I have got the message, full access purchased for $200 using your credit card. Now, let's click any topic from the sidebar, and we can see that the lesson content is now generated. So once premium access is enabled, I can continue learning any Python topic without restrictions. Now, if you would like to build this application step by step while learning AI application development using LangChain, I would love to have you in the course. The course link is available in the description. Thank you, and I hope to see you there.